Good evening, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if it's your first time watching my YouTube channel, I'd like you to subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Assistant voice. Okay, first thing you have to do, if you're using any Android phone, firstly you have to activate your bar button, this navigator key. You have to activate it. So this navigator key. Then after that, you hold it. You hold it. So one is out. You click this button. You click this button here. So it will bring explore. So explore. Let's wait for it to load. So this is it. Then you click here, the three button here. Click it. Go to your settings. Let's wait till it load. Okay, right. So you go to assistance. Go to assistance and you go here. Click here. So then can I choose from here any button like here?
Here are the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant.
So
if you like this voice and want me to keep using it, just stop here.
So this and that one. This and that one.
Here are the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant. If you like this voice and want me to keep using it, just stop here.
Thanks for watching my YouTube video. Please, if you love this video, please kindly subscribe. Thanks, guys.